Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error DLL register server was not found in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in the browser and then go to the browser page. Now scroll down and then you'll find the x64 version here. Click on it and finally click on open to install it. For 32-bit computers, you can select the x86 version 2, and now you can click on repair if it's already installed, and if it's not, then install it. In most of the cases, this will fix the problem, but if it does not, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.